Video topic is a method of string class, and video date is 14th July. The first of all, string means string is basically an object that represent a sequence of character values. An array of character works some as a Java string, and in a, in a string various methods are available. That means the java.lang.string class provides many useful method to perform operation on a sequence of character value. Okay, the first method is uh, char char@. Method. It returns character value to the particular index. And the next is a int length method. It returns the string length. The next is a static string format method. Returns a formatted string. The next is a static string format method. And an argument is a string format object, args. That means returns the formatting string with given local. The next is a substring method. This method returns substring for a given beginning index. And the next is a substring method. In argument is a integer begin index and integer end index. That means return substring for a given begin index and end index. The next method is a static string join method. And arguments is character sequence and character sequence elements and character sequence delimiter. Means it returns a join string. And the next method is a boolean equals method. And arguments is a object another. Means check the equality of string with the given object. And the next method is a boolean is empty method. Okay, it checks if a string is empty or not. Okay, and then string concat method. Argument it passes the argument in a string object, means a string str. This method is concats the specified strings. And the next is a string replace method. Means it passes the argument in character old or character new. And it replace all occurrence of the specified character value. String replace method, it is the passes the sequence. It passes the arguments like character sequence old and character sequence new. It means replace all the occurrence of the specified character sequence. The next method is a static string equals ignore case. And argument is a string another. Means compare another string. It does not check cases. And the next method is a string array split method. It returns the matching regex. Okay, and the next is a string intern method. This method returns an intern string. And the next is a int index of method. And passes the argument is a string substring. Means returns the specified substring index. And the next is a string to lowercase method. It returns the string in lowercase, and as same as a string uppercase method. It is a returns a string in a uppercase. And the next is a trim method. It removes beginning and ending spaces in a string. This is the main method of the string class. Thank you.